Hey guys, I haven't done a Facebook Live in quite some time, so I thought I would give one a shot right before the end of the year. I posted about the conforming loan limits yesterday, 2 days ago. The conforming loan limits are going to be changing from this year being... Hold on one second here. All right, cool. Just making sure this thing is on. So, yep. Hope everyone's doing good. I wanted to make a quick video about the conforming loan limit change. I posted about this a couple of days ago. I'm sure a lot of people have been. You've been seeing it in your feed. I wanted to make a quick video and talk around what that means. The conforming loan limit this year was 547,000, and it's going up to 647,000. It's about $100,000 increase. I don't know the exact hundred. I don't know it right off the top of my head, but it's $100,000 increase. That's what we're going to see in 2022. So what does that mean? When you get a loan, if it falls under that limit, so now it's going to be 648,000. If it falls under that limit, it's considered a conforming loan. If it's above that limit, it's considered a non-conforming loan, or tap to invite view. Oh, these are some cool features I'm getting. Sorry guys, I'm getting distracted from all of these features on my live stream. If anyone has questions while I'm going through this, just put them in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them live if I'm here, and if not, I'll catch them afterward. But what does a conforming limit increase mean? If your loan is above that limit, now it's going to be 648,000 in 2022, then it's considered a jumbo loan. A jumbo loan or a non-conforming loan typically has stringent guidelines for, they're a little harder in terms of the lending policies. They're typically a little more expensive. Rates on jumbo loans are a little higher than conforming, which is interesting because I had a lot of lending partners last year. While it's been a crazy year in real estate, there were occasions where jumbo loan rates were neck and neck with conforming rates, which was interesting to see. But typically they're a little pricier. Down payment requirements are a little higher. So basically it's a little more pricey to do the loan when it's above that limit. Now, with that loan limit increasing, and significantly, I think this is the biggest increase we've ever seen. A lot of people were guessing, including myself. I thought, the increase would be to around 620,000-ish, but it was even more than that. It's going to be like 648,000. So what that means is this could open up a lot of people that were considering buying, but it was getting too pricey in the current market for them to buy what they wanted. They might be able to reconsider purchasing with these new loan limits because their down payment requirements might change again, right? Because they might go from a jumbo loan category back to a conforming if you were in that 550 to 650 area, right? So that could open up some potential buyers going into 2022. What this means for listing, for people that might be looking to sell a home is, again, it opens up more people to purchase your home if you are in that kind of price point. It makes your home a little more affordable if it was in that price point for people to get a loan against it. So that would be something interesting to consider. If you're not looking to be in the market at all, you're not having to buy or sell, I would say what does this do? Interest rates, it's really hard to predict when interest rates are going to go up, but I think you talk to any economist, any investment advisor, it's very difficult to not see interest rates go up in 2022. In the spirit of that, if you already own a home, you already have a mortgage, this would be a great time for you to look at your mortgage statement, see what your interest rate is at, and see if refinancing is an advantage to you. There's a couple of things to consider. Is your rate the best rate you could get? That's one thing. The other thing to consider is, when did you get your mortgage, right? If you are 10 years into your 30-year term, even all things considered, you should also visit a refinance potentially just to see what it looks like, because re-amortizing that entire note into a 30-year again could lower your monthly payment if you've been in it for a while, even if your rate doesn't change that much. You know, maybe the savings on your rate isn't as significant, but you're well seasoned into that old mortgage. So there's a lot of ways to look at it where it could create a huge change in your financial picture going into 2022. And I work with amazing lending partners. They know their stuff. I know my stuff. You know, we're all in it to make sure we do the best for our clients. I'm not on the lending side at all, but I partner with, you know, really good people, so they know what they're doing. So if you do have any questions around that, whether you were exploring to buy, exploring to sell, or you already own a home and you hold a mortgage, this would be a time to evaluate all of that, because as rates get, you know, a little higher going into 2022, and as rates go up, some of the opportunities you might have on the table might not be there. So definitely think of that, and if you have any questions around it, let me know. Some housekeeping stuff. You know, I haven't been on Facebook Live in a long time. I've kind of kept my head down, working, you know, partnering with different awesome people in real estate and whatnot, and my commitment is to do more of these. I just want to, you know, I have a tough time doing some of these Facebook Lives because I don't always have something important to say. I don't feel like I do, so I have to be very conscious of, I'm very conscious of that, and I don't want to just get on and ramble like I'm doing right now. So I'm going to try to start doing more Facebook Lives, more interactive things where people can catch me on the go in real time, and it's not, you know, pre-published stuff and things like that. So again, hopefully this helps. You know, conforming limits changing. Share this video with anyone that was curious about what that could mean. And if there's any questions around any of this stuff, guys, don't hesitate to ask. Reach out to me. You can even message me privately. You know, these are financial matters, and sometimes you don't want to put your business out on the streets. I get it. And you can private message me. I'd love to help. I try to keep my discretion with clients, and I don't share anything unless they tell me to or say it's okay to. So it's super confidential. If there are any questions around lending or real estate, you know, I've been doing this long enough where I can at least guide you in the right direction when it comes to the lending side of it. And I have great partners to back me up. Please don't hesitate to reach out. So hopefully this video was helpful. Share it, you know, comment any questions you have, expand on it. If you had your own experience with a refi recently, or your experience with the rates going up and down recently, please share them in the comments. I love to see what's going on. And hope everyone's having a great end of year, and a lot of planning, a lot of a lot of planning, a lot of subtracting, a lot of adding. So I hope to come out starting 2022 really strong with my partners. So you know, happy end of year. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye.